What's going on, y'all? We doing a stir fry today. So we gonna get our bell peppers chopped up and all our veg ready. And of course, we gonna get the frying away. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if it's your first time here, welcome. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty.
Move on to our onion, which we simply gonna cut in half and then chop up the whole onion, y'all. And this is our veg once we done. So now to our wok, we gonna add in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, y'all. Sesame oil. And then we gonna get our veg in. Now that sesame oil is gonna give us a flavor that you can't get from olive oil. So if you can't get sesame oil, you can use olive oil, but if you can get it, definitely use that sesame oil, y'all. It really brings a flavor. So let's go ahead and give this a mix. And once we get everything broke up, of course, you know we got to go ahead and rain on it. Got to go ahead and hit it with a little dose of salt, y'all. Not that much, just enough to sweat them vegetables. And you don't want to sweat them too much because you want to get a nice char on them. So let's mix that on up again once we get that salt on. And now it's time to add that multicolored cauliflower, y'all. I love me some cauliflower. I don't know about y'all, but I'm a veg head, so it is what it is. So after we get that char right, it's time to get our sauces in. Now, so we're gonna start off with a tablespoon of sweet soy sauce, a half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, two tablespoons of soy sauce. Then we're gonna go ahead and give that a quick mix, mixing them flavors together. Once we get that mixed in, we gonna add in just a little bit of honey, y'all. Just a little bit. Y'all know I love me some honey. And then we gonna go and get our crab meat in. Our imitation crab meat, to be exact. So we gonna mix everything together just to get them flavors to start getting into that crab meat. And we gonna let this simmer for about 5 minutes. And then it's gonna be time to plate up and time to eat, y'all. So we gonna start plating by plating our rice first. Now that's me. That's totally optional. You know, I always gotta have me some good rice. Wifey ate hers without any rice. She's not a big rice fan like me, but that's okay. Then we gonna get our stir fry right on top. Oh yeah, y'all. Don't that look tasty? So yeah, let's go ahead and dig in, get us a bite of this here. Give me a piece of this crab meat. A little bell pepper. I ain't getting no cauliflower. Gotta get a piece of cauliflower. And oh yeah, y'all. Look at that bite right there. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.